How to delete history on Reddit. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can delete your history on Reddit. In order to do this procedure, you'll not be able to do it from the application. You'll have to log in from your web browser. For that, type in the link that is www.reddit.com. After you're logged in from your web browser, it's going to direct you to the home page. Once you're on this page, go to the try bar icon in the upper right, and it's going to take you to the menu page. Scroll down a bit and click on settings. As soon as you click on settings, under it click on account settings, and once again select Chrome. So once you're on this page, you can see right on top there are multiple tabs. So from the list, you need to click on profile. As soon as you click on profile over here, scroll down right to the bottom and you'll be able to find an option as clear history. In the corner you have an option as clear history, so tap on clear history button, and this is going to delete all your history. So in this way you can clear your history on Reddit. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.